Hello, species of the universe. I am here to present you Boris. Ta-da! Gender is male, age is 37. Um, Birth is April 28, 1989, 1987, my bad. Height is 6 feet and 4 inches. 6 feet and 4 inches, yeah. Weight is 238 pounds. Species is human. Homeland, secret. Rank/class, pilot. Power none. Weapon and weapons abilities. So the weapons he has is these ones. The damn it. Okay. Let's just go with it, and let's just get this other one. So the first one is this one. If any of you have played Siege before, you'll know what this kind of resembles or something. It's more like this, but this one's like more kind of like an SMG, but it has that look of that gun of Tachanka's. So yeah. But this one I called it the DP SMG 47. And yeah, it's just the magazine right here. And then this is the stock. So let me just try to like put it here. And then he can hold it. Oh, let me just take this piece off because and there we go. Voila. So that's that's that weapon. DPSMG 47. And then the other one is the DMS 2. And this one, it does kind of resemble to the Bosch from Siege 2 as well. It's just that this one's more like this one specifically is more for like a sniper type, and it does have the little action for the barrel to drop down. So yeah, that is the weapons. And so equipment/artifact, the equipment that he has, or like this one specifically, let me just go ahead and take it off. It's just this thing with flames. It's called the Rupak, and it just kind of slides on his back. And then there's like little controls right here for this thing. So yeah, that's that. Personality, darer, and loyal. And his ability/skills is a pilot. It's this type of pilot. He's a pilot for this contraction or the Rupak, and he's also a pilot for like the vehicles. So yeah, that's that for you. And then this last one is Star. Yeah, I won't say much. I'm not gonna say much, but like he's very loyal to his land or country, however you want to say it, and he tries his best to like have time for his duties and for his loved ones. And he's done some very, very, very dark stuff. Not dark stuff. It wasn't dark stuff. He didn't do some good stuff. That's all. So yeah, that's Boris for you, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. And this right here was painted gray, just to let you know if you, yeah, you could see it. You can see it definitely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it looks like. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you and your loved ones are safe during whatever chaos is happening. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic days. And yeah, bye bye.